Hi, it's Sue from the Kind Living Boutique. A product line we've really been enjoying is by Harmonic Arts. They're a BC-based company. They make a lot of elixirs and different mushroom-based products, and one that we're really enjoying is their root beer syrup. It has a base of chaga mushroom, birch bark, dandelion, sarsaparilla, licorice root. It's absolutely delicious. You might want to consider introducing some form of chaga into your diet. It's mineral rich, lots of zinc. It has something called melanin, which is really great for your skin. A lot of people find that their complexion improves, their glowing complexion when they have melanin from chaga. Another agent is betulinic acid, which has been shown some promising results looking at its role in cancer prevention. Either way, not only is it healthy, but it's delicious. We often mix it with sparkling mineral water. You could put it in your coffee or tea, ideally 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. But what we're going to do today is have some root beer floats.
Did you say root beer floats?
Where did you guys come from? Oh my goodness, you're just in time. We're going to add some
perfect
vegan vanilla ice cream.
Yummy.
And we can use one of our compostable straws.
Perfect. Oh my goodness.
And
this looks yummy.
Should
we save some for Kelsey?
Oh, I don't know.
I don't know.
Anyway, a great refreshing summer treat that has lots of health benefits. You can find these products and more at the Kind Living Boutique. Cheers!
Cheers!